These programs are to protect you, to give you the opportunity to have housing for lower income families, to be able to give you the extra push. But in order to get those things, you have to meet requirements. You need to be educated about how credit works, because everything is just not given to you. You have to put in the work, and there's certain things that have to be done and take place. So I just want to ask those questions because I know we're dealing with banks and we're dealing with lenders. And you know, if I can get everybody approved, that would be great. But we know there's still going to be challenges there.
Yeah, I would like to clarify, it's more than just it's late. How late is it? Like, is it 30 days, 60, 120? Depending on what program we're trying to qualify you for. So, like I said, conventional, FHA, USDA, they all typically have different criteria, with the government loans being more forgivable than conventional. So you really want to make sure your bills are paid on time, because you're asking people to give you a whole lot of money.
And it has to be credit approved.
Right.
It does. I had they're closing Monday. I had a couple come in earlier in the year, and the score was too low, but it delayed, but not denied. They're closing Monday because they improved their score. Not high enough to get my grant. They had to make a down payment, but they are buying a nice home. They saved the money for it because they knew their credit wasn't perfect, and nobody really has perfect credit. Nobody has a score of 850. We're trying to help you. If you come in and your score is not where it needs to be, we try to get you to a person who can help you improve your score so that when you do come back, you'll be ready. So it's just delayed but not denied. But you do have to be credit approved.
We didn't get a chance to introduce the lending company that we have here. I do want to make sure we make note that he's a lender, and he explained the difference working with him and what he's offering as well. The different programs that as it relates to going directly to a lender, some of the things involved with what you guys are offering. We just recently closed on a transaction, and maybe he can give a little bit more details about how that works as far as working with a lender and what the programs he's also have access to. He still has access to the same program as far as Alabama Housing, but he also has some other things he can talk about.